Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove or update your Emirates ID from the Botim app using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Botim app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on profile or account setting or personal information. Here you will see your verified details including your Emirates ID information. Important thing to know, Botim does not allow direct deletion of Emirates ID once it is verified, but you can remove it by requesting an updating or reset through support. Now scroll down and tap on Help Support or Contact Us. Choose Verification Issue, KYC or Emirates ID Update. Now explain your issue carefully. For example, write your issue. You may be asked to confirm your registered mobile number, upload a new Emirates ID, or provide identity confirmation. Follow the on-screen instruction and submit a request. After submitting, Botim support team will review your request. This usually takes 24 to 72 hours. Once approved, your Emirates ID will be removed or replaced with the new one. You can check the status anytime by going back to the support or help section, and that's it. This is how you remove or update Emirates ID in Botim on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.